So a lot of people don't know how to use this label sensor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use it. The first thing you are going to notice is here. It has a lock and unlock mode. Right now you can see if I press these two buttons, the light will flash. This means it's unlocked. But if this red LED is constantly on, you are going to unlock it first. Right now I am unlocked. I'm going to show you how to lock it first. If you press these two buttons, 3 seconds, it will switch between lock and unlock. I press at the same time. Okay. As you can see, the light just flashed one time, and then now it's in lock mode. As you can see in this mode, I press these two buttons. It has no response. So now it's locked. I'm going to unlock it. How to unlock it? Press these two buttons at the same time, and then you will see this red LED flash one time, and then you release it. Okay. Now, it goes back to normal state. Now it's unlocked. Now I'm going to show you how to use the teaching mode here. If you press these two buttons at the same time for just 1 second, it will enter teaching mode. Then you press the minus button for 1 second to exit the teaching mode. So when you insert the label, now you can see the sensor has no response. At the gap here, you can see it should turn off at the gap, but it has no response. So now I'm going to use teaching mode. Press just 1 second, the light flashes. I drag along the label, and then I press minus. Now you see when it's at the gap, it turns off. When it's at the label, it turns on. At the gap, off. At the label, turn on. Also, you can use these two buttons to micro adjust the sensibility. Okay, but right now is kind counterintuitive, because normally we want the sensor to be on at the gap, but right now it's off at the gap. So this is the final setting here. Switch between light on or dark on. If you press these two buttons more than 6 seconds, then you can switch between these two modes. So here, let me show you. I press these two buttons at the same time. It turns off, and then now it turns on. Now if I insert the label, now you see when it's on the label, it's off. When it's at the gap, it's on. Okay, so this is how you use this label sensor. I hope you learned.